Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounts Automotive. Today I have a 2015 Ford Explorer Xlt. This Explorer is a one owner. It's also all-wheel drive as well. I'm going to walk you around and show you some features on this car real fast. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. You also have your turn indicators built into the mirrors as well. Now this Explorer is also a non-smoker. There's no funny smells on the inside of here. No rips or tears in the seats. No cracks or fading in the dash. Now we've also completed a 150-point inspection on this Explorer. And we do a 30-day powertrain warranty on everything that we sell. And we also offer extended warranties if that's something you're interested in as well. Now with this Explorer, you'll have 2 rows of seating. In the middle row, you'll be able to sit 3 people. As you can see, there's no rips or tears in the seats here. Carpet's extremely clean as well too. I'll give you a shot of your 3rd row. Another shot of your rims and tires there. Now this Explorer will be equipped with a backup camera and backup sensors. And you're also going to have a power liftgate as well too. One nice thing about these Explorers, they have a ton of room for storage back here. They also have stow and go as well. So if you need to, you can fold down the 3rd row into the trunk back here. Gives you a lot of room. Again, no rips or tears in your passenger seats. Show you your 3rd row. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24. We also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit. Guys, if you have any questions about this Explorer, feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. I'll help you any way I can. If you need more photos, another video, just let me know how I can help you out. All right, let's hop in the driver's seat and show you some more features on this car. Of course, you're gonna have power windows, power locks. You're gonna have a power driver's seat as well. And again, there's no rips or tears in this seat as well. And you're gonna have a sunroof up top, always nice to have. Got the nice touchscreen in here. Now this Explorer has navigation. So you'll have your navigation. You're gonna have a backup camera. It is 4-wheel drive as well, so it'll be nice in the winter time. It's gonna have Bluetooth, so you'll be able to sync up your phone, make all your telephone calls. Of course, you have cruise control as well. Again, this is a 2015 Ford Explorer, Carfax one owner. If you have any questions about this, feel free to give me a call or text. My name is Tim, 309-310-3034.